Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You want results fast, so start by capturing the clearest sample possible. Record 5 to 30 seconds in a quiet room. Shorter clips can work, but 15-30 seconds improves accuracy. Once done, open a sound search app or assistant and select the Song Identify option. Make sure microphone access is granted. If using a browser, load the recognition tool and paste or play the clip. Doing this first reduces background noise issues and gives the matching engine the best data to work with. Next, diversify your attempts. Use a dedicated app like a music identifier, your phone assistant, and a web matcher. Each uses different databases and algorithms, so results vary. If live listening fails, upload the saved file. Many services accept file input and handle noisy samples better. Once you have candidates, cross-check metadata such as artist, release year, and track length to confirm matches. If titles differ slightly, listen to short previews to verify the melody and lyrical snippets to be certain. Finish by confirming the best candidate on a streaming preview so you hear the exact recording, then save or add to a playlist. If you get no reliable match, try simple audio cleanup. Normalize volume, reduce hum, trim silence, or boost mid-frequencies. Then retry. If the automated route still fails, hum or sing the melody into a humming-enabled recognizer, or post a short clip to a music identification community for human help. One tip: noisy results often clear after trimming leading and trailing silence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.